What if I told you this is how I mow my lawn? No, not with this. But with this, the controller for my robot lawnmower. Say hello to the Mowrator S1. Hi, Dale. This is how Dale controls his mower. Probably because he's not rocking the Mowrator S1. Let me show you what I mean. This is how I control the S1. The remote's easy to use. The sticks are slick, precise, always connected. Perfectly parallel lines. Just press this button and the S1 mows a clean row of grass. Then hit a quick U-turn to start the next row. This is how Dale empties his clippings. This is how I empty the S1. Easy, hands-free disposal every time. When I want to pick up leftover debris, the S1 has a vacuum mode. Man, that sucks.
What? I said it sucks.
In a good way. The struggle is real. Am I right, man?
Yes.
But not for me, or the four-wheel drive model of the S1. Any incline or slope is a breeze. And every lateral strip is utter perfection. But Dale's a gas hole. I save money and care for the environment. With a battery cycle life of 1,500, that's 3 times the industry average. This is how loud the S1 is. 63 decibels. That's the same as 2 people talking. This is how loud Dale's mower is.
What?
Exactly! The S1 keeps everyone and everything around it safe, with ultrasonic sensors designed to avoid collisions, and even a front bumper for an added layer of protection. Additional sensors disable blade movements. To sum it up, with the Mowrator S1,
Do it yourself. Easier and better.
try not to have too much fun, buddy. And as for you, what are you waiting for? Get yours today.